My Upwork account has been struggling for the past 2 months, 3 months, some weeks back, after I have made like $4,000 on Upwork platform. So I actually don't know what caused this issue. So maybe I might learn some stuff in order to fix the issue if you are actually watching this video. And of course, you might also learn from my mistakes if you are actually watching this video as well. So hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to this channel, through this video, kindly smash on the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime I upload more videos, you'll be able to get notification on your mobile phone or your PC if you are watching through PC. And also, you might find some of my video interesting as well. But in this particular video, I'm going to share my experience and what I've been going through on Upwork after earning 4K on Upwork platform. So I have discovered some things that might cause the issue of not getting sales after some weeks back. So then I decided to record this video before I work on those issues that I discovered, so which might fix the problems as time goes on. So what I actually think might affect or cause this is the rating on my profile. So I would like to check on the rating so you both can actually see what's going on in there. So profile, oops, so checking on profile, sorry, I think I put this on auto reload, so that's why. So let me check on this. I don't know if I'm in the right place. Sorry. Settings. Let me try and check this. Okay. Okay. Okay, so I'm trying to log in. Yeah. So checking on my profile. Okay. Okay, yeah, so this is my profile, and scrolling down to the reviews I have on my profile. So these are the reviews I have on my profile so far. So this is 4.4 rating, and of course I feel so bad because I give this particular client all my best to satisfy her. So I don't know why she did that. So I still have contacts, still in contact with her though, so hopefully I'll be able to get some good rating as time goes on. So this is another one which I try all my best as well for this channel, and I even do extra work, but at the end of the day I end up having 3 stars. That's funny. So, and this is another one, even though I expect less review on this particular one, although I mean less review than this. So this particular one, we are on an hourly project, and after doing like 3 videos optimization for this particular client, so they cancel the project, which I don't know why. So then I proceed on to ask him why they canceled the order without even contacting me before they did that. So, and then you have to tell me that they don't know what exactly I'll be doing on their channel, and that's why, since they have seen some of the stuff that I'm doing for on their channel, so that's why they decide to cancel the remaining hours, which is supposed to be 5 hours. So they canceled the other 2 hours, so I end up having 3 hours. So that's it. And I think this is the main reason why my Upwork account has been like this. And so the top rated is not counting as well, because I noticed that they said from Upwork expert, they said your top rating features will start counting after you have earned like $1,000 on Upwork and spent some weeks on the platform. But I noticed that none of this is actually counting on my own, which I actually don't understand. So I'll check on my states so to see what's going on there. And of course, I used to get invites. So I used to get invites, but I don't know what. Most of the jobs are not tailored to what I can actually do. So some of them will even request for more project and less budget for the project, so which is not making any sense to me. So yeah, this is my badge. My top rated badge is not working, and you can see it here. So still on 0/16, and I searched online to see how soon my top rated badge will start counting. On where will I be able to get eligibility for the top rated badge, but I don't seem to understand this. And as well as job success score, so this is not counting as well. I don't know. Last updated April, nothing. Long time client 0%, client who recommend you 0%, isn't account old 0. So top rated eligibility weeks, so 0. So I don't know why all these stuffs are not working. So for the job success score, so they said the job success score reflects how well you deliver great results for your client. It's update every 2 weeks. I think that means this. But then, okay, for the badge, we reward success at each stage on your Upwork journey with a badge that helps you win more work from top clients. Get and maintain a badge by consistently delivering great results for your client. So, but all these things are not reflecting on my account. Even though if I have less rating on my account, I still believe that there is still some reflections that I should be seeing to say that okay, this is where I'm not actually doing well. Even for the job success score, I understand maybe they do that based on the rating, but I still believe that there should be some rating here to say that okay, my review is actually, or the rating that clients drop about my performance or my the experience they have with me should judge what job the rate of the job success score I should have here. Same thing goes to the badge, but everything just not just working. So I don't know why. And if you okay, now I can see some stuff here. So your profile was discovered 2 times last week, which is 75% drop from the previous weeks. This is dropping, so wow, this is nice. But then I was still unable to convert anything. So I don't know how many people are actually seeing my profile and yet they are not making any move. But I get some invitations, and some of the invitations that I get, I was able to apply for some, and some of them, they don't seem great to me, so I just ignore them. So just like this one, gaming channel, this is the same thing. So I don't work with a gaming channel because all this kind of gaming channel, it will be hard for you to outrank some other videos, and all those clients expect to get some tons of views, subscribers on their videos when they upload their videos on YouTube. But this is not a magic, it's a step-by-step process. But some of them do not want to understand that, so they just believe that every penny they spend, there should be a result for that, which maybe it's true, maybe that's how it should be, but in this area it's not like that. So but this is what I've been facing on Upwork so far, and if you can actually give me some tips on what to do, and I would definitely appreciate that. And if my point of view are really on the line, because I believe maybe it's because of the reviews I have, that's why all these things are not working. So I don't know, but if you have any idea, you can actually share with me. I'll appreciate that. And I've always been online, like seriously. So I don't know. You replied to 7 of 8 invitations. Of course, I do replied, but then they are not converting. So I don't know how this 8 coming from. Maybe just in my view, but they are not making any attempts. Maybe because my rating is low. Maybe. So these are my experience, and this is what I've been facing on Upwork so far, and I feel so sad. I'm not happy because working on Upwork has been great when I started, because I just kickstart the whole stuff around December, January, like that. December 2021 to January 2022, and it has worked so perfect for me. So but I don't know how everything just flip and turn other way around, which I actually need help in. So I hope you can help me on this and get the best out of my profile again and start working the way I actually want it. So thank you for watching, and I appreciate your points and your sincere insights on my profile. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe if actually needed. Thank you.